Good morning, you guys. What is up? Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. And today I'm about to go hit a workout. I really don't know what I'm gonna do today. Probably go Uber Eat drive more, just like I've been doing every day this week. Get my bang in. This is the best flavor. Comment below what you think the best flavor is. Birthday cake bash. Anyways, I'm gonna go get a workout in. I'll catch you guys after my workout and let you guys know what I'm doing the rest of the day. Morning guys, what is up? I just finished a leg workout. My legs are absolutely dead. Probably one of the best workouts I've had during this quarantine. Made myself some protein waffles as you saw in the little video. And I'm gonna eat these up, go do some homework, and then I might go hit some Uber Eat driving. But yeah, today's gonna be a pretty slow day. Probably just Uber Eat drive and get some homework done. But that's what today's gonna be, so I'll catch you guys in a little bit after I eat. Actually, let me give you all a taste test real quick. These are chocolate chip protein waffles. I tell you what, guys, this is close to as good as Waffle House. I'm not even joking. I'm giving these a 9.854 out of 10. That's insane. Let me finish these up, guys. I'll catch y'all guys in a little bit. I have been Uber Eat driving for the last 2 hours now. And today I realized I'm gonna go over my personal fitness goals for 2020. I know we're about 5 months into 2020 already, but I just wanna go over my goals, 5 goals personally for 2020 within fitness. Starting off with number 1, which is to be able to have a sub 5 40-yard dash. Now, last time I ran my 40, I think I ran about 5.3 or 5.4. So I want to get a lot faster. Now, this is gonna be a tough one. I think this might be one of the toughest ones out of all of them, but I think I can do it. I just gotta do some more agility training and stuff like that. But that's my first goal of 2020 is to get a sub 5 40. I just Uber Eat drive for about 2 hours. I came home to make myself some lunch, made myself a little quesadilla. My second fitness goal for 2020 is to be able to run a sub 8-minute mile. Now, I do think this is gonna be the most achievable and probably in the fastest amount of time, because I ran about an 8-minute and 30-second mile last week. So I think I'm pretty close, especially if I run the whole time, because normally I'll stop and walk a little bit. But that's gonna be my second fitness goal, is to run a sub 8-minute mile. I was just getting some schoolwork done, but anyways, my third fitness goal of 2020 is to be able to deadlift at least 315 pounds. Now, I really don't know my max on deadlifts. I think this should be pretty easy though, because I did 235 today, and I did 235 by 4, so I think this should be pretty easy for me. But with all these goals, guys, I want you guys to hold me accountable. So I want you guys to be asking me questions, asking me if I'm there yet. I want you guys to be checking on me, and I'll hold you accountable too. So if you have fitness goals for this year, I want you to comment your fitness goals down below, and I can help hold you accountable towards your fitness goals this year. But I have 2 left, and I'll finish the video up. It's gonna be a short video today, but it's all good. I'm just trying to get the best videos for you guys and give good content to you guys that you don't have to spend all day watching. So hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Guys, we're at the gas station getting gas right now. I'm about to Uber Eats drive a little bit more, but I'm filling the tank up. I'll let you guys know how expensive it is. It should be pretty cheap though. $14.51. I don't know about you, but that's pretty impressive. Almost 15 bucks to fill up my entire tank. I'm not gonna complain. Alrighty guys, what's up you guys? So I'm currently heading home. I made about $50 today, so 150 every 2 days is the goal that I'm aiming towards. But anyways, my last 2 fitness goals for 2020 are gonna be for the squat and the bench press. Now, starting with squats, I wanna be able to squat at least probably 315. The last time I maxed, I was at 275. So I think I should be able to get there. That should not be that big of a problem. And I've only been lifting for less than a year. End of May will be 1 year. Now, my second goal, this is gonna be the toughest one out of all the 5 goals that I have for fitness, which is the bench press. I wanna be able to bench at least 240 by the end of the year. I want you to hold me accountable for this. My max right now, or my max of a couple months ago, was 205. I think I can do it. I'm just gonna have to really push myself, and I'm gonna have to start bulking again here pretty soon, which is what I'm about to start doing here in a couple of weeks. I'm gonna start bulking again once the gyms open back up. But I definitely think I can do it. It's just gonna be a lot of work, and I'm gonna have to put my heart to it and put my whole mind to it. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. As always, I will see you guys next time. Subscribe and like if you are new. But anyways, peace out.